How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over my IRA account in the Stash app. If you like this video and content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell, follow my journey. I do have 12 different portfolios that I display on this channel with 100% transparency, as well as providing you guys with stock picks 7 days a week, stock news, price movements. I'm going to show all my gains, my deposits, my withdrawals, my losses, everything under the sun when it comes to investing. It's going to be here on this channel. So you find the right place, and let's get into the IRA account. Currently, the IRA account is valued at $372.60. I only have $1.83 in the portfolio cash. My total returns, my initial investment was $255, and so far I've earned $117.60. I'm up a nice percentage gain of 46.12%. And we'll go ahead and go through some of the top holdings. We got Upwork Inc. I put in $11. It's 8% of my portfolio. It is valued at $30.56. It is up 177.78%. Then we have Resolve Group Inc. Class A. I invested $12, 7% of my portfolio. That $12 worth now $25.47. It is up 112.28%. Then I invested $22 in Nvidia. That $22 is now worth $32.43. It is up 47.40%. I'm sorry, 47.40%. Then we got CGC Canopy Growth. Invested $14. That $14 is now worth $24.29. It is up 73.52%. Then we got the Real World Inc. Invested $10. That $10 is now worth $19.18. It is up 91.79%. Then we got United States Steel Corp. Invested $4. That $4 is now worth $12.31. It is up 206.16%. Then we got Workhorse Group. Invested $13. It's now worth $21.12, up 62.46%. Then we got Dow Inc. Invested $18.62. That is now worth $26.60. It's up 42.84%. Then we got CommScope Holdings. It's up 183.59%. We got Chico's Fast Inc. up 22.11%. We got Jack in the Box up 15.47%. F Beauty Inc., which is up 19.75%. We got Hanes Brand. It's up 36.3%. Aero Environment is up 12.04%. People's United Financial Inc. is up 27.52%. AGNC is up 16.60%. QuantumScape up 73.73%. Centerpoint Energy is up 7.12%. Merrick is up 5.39%. CenturyLink is up 7.28%. Prospect Capital Corporation is up 16.32%. And the last holding is going to be Orchard Allen Capital, which is up 13.68%. So as you can see, all my holdings are at least up anywhere from 5 to almost 200%. So I'm up on every position that I have here in the IRA account. We'll go look at and see if I my recent dividends as well in this portfolio. As you can see, I have some recent dividends from Merrick, 15 cents. It was reinvested in Orchard Allen's 1% was reinvested, and that's just December 29th, January 8th, so on and such forth. And they are small dividends, but they are compounding and dripping, so definitely a nice payout. As you can see, I've just been getting steady small dividends for these positions over the course of time. And we'll see when the last deposit or last purchase I made in this account was, as I very rarely invest into this portfolio, but I am going to slowly build it up, every 3 months, time after time. As you can see, I made a deposit back on August 7th. I purchased the Nvidia in August 7th, so that's my last time using this account, which on the 7th I made 3 or 4 purchases. Made some on the 1st, then I made some in June. We started this back in June, on June 7th. So nice, 46% gain. up $100. So yeah, that is the Stash IRA account. If you like this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. I do have 12 brokerages, and I do go through all these brokerages and show full transparency, as well as drop stock picks for you guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.